Hey, it's Will Schneider with another Shift the Flow Mindfulness Moment. Today we're going to talk about sleep and proper sleep. What is proper sleep? How many hours of sleep do we need every night? 7 to 8 hours of sleep every single night in order for our body the next day to feel refreshed, to feel more joyful, we're more productive, we're more inspired. And we also, what's really important is we stay in executive function in our brain. So resist the urge to be impulsive and reactive to the world and actually stay more calm, cool, and connected and make better choices. What's also great for sleep every night before you go to bed is have a routine. So no heavy meals before, like 2 hours, 3 hours before bed. No workouts 3 to 4 hours before bedtime. No sugars, no chocolate. What's helped me sleep a lot better is actually getting an eye mask. It's helped me a lot to get deeper sleep, to get better quality of sleep. So really help yourself by finding and bringing more sleep into your life on a daily basis. Thank you so much for listening. This is Will, Shift the Flow. Peace.